Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese noodles at home. First, gather your ingredients like pasta, milk, butter, and your favorite cheese. Next, we'll prepare a simple, creamy cheese sauce that comes together quickly. Then, we'll combine the perfectly cooked noodles with the rich sauce. Finally, you'll have a warm, comforting meal ready to enjoy in under 25 minutes. It's a perfect dish for any day. To begin, you'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite pasta, such as elbow macaroni or shells. For the sauce, gather 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 1/2 cups of whole milk. The star of the show is the cheese, so have about 6 ounces of freshly grated sharp cheddar ready. Freshly grating the cheese makes a big difference in the sauce's texture. First, bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook your pasta until it's al dente, which usually takes about 7 to 9 minutes. While the pasta cooks, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a separate saucepan. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour to form a roux, cooking for 1 minute. Slowly pour in 1 1/2 cups of milk, stirring continuously until the sauce thickens. Once your sauce has thickened, remove it from the heat. Now, it's time for the magic. Stir in your 6 ounces of grated cheese until it's completely melted and smooth. Drain your cooked pasta thoroughly and add it directly to the creamy cheese sauce. Gently fold everything together until the noodles are evenly coated. Serve immediately and savor your wonderfully easy homemade cheese noodles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.